"You're stupid, boy." The judge's words echoed through the courtroom, silencing everyone inside. The young black kid, no older than 17, stood tall but quiet, his hands nervously folded. The people in the room gasped, shocked by the disrespect. Nobody expected what would happen next. This wasn't just any ordinary case. A local store had been robbed, and the kid was accused of being part of it. The judge already seemed convinced he was guilty, even before hearing the full story. He looked at the boy with cold eyes, as if his mind was already made up. But the kid wasn't about to let this insult break him. Calmly, he asked, "May I speak, Your Honor?" The judge smirked, waved his hand, and said, "Go ahead. Let's hear what you think you know." The boy took a deep breath and began to explain. He carefully pointed out the flaws in the evidence presented against him. The store's security footage showed the suspect wearing different shoes, and the timestamp on the video didn't match the time of the crime. He even reminded the court that he had been at a school debate practice, which dozens of students could confirm. As he spoke, the entire courtroom leaned in, listening closely. His words were sharp, confident, and filled with truth. Within minutes, he completely broke down the prosecution's case. Even the lawyers sat stunned, flipping through their notes, realizing the boy was right. Finally, the judge leaned back in his chair, speechless. The boy had just solved the case in front of everyone, exposing the mistakes that had been ignored. The silence in the room was heavy, until one person in the audience began to clap, and soon, the whole courtroom erupted in applause. Red-faced and embarrassed, the judge cleared his throat. "Case dismissed," he said reluctantly. But everyone could see the truth. This so-called stupid kid had been smarter than anyone else in the room. The boy walked out of the courtroom that day not only free, but as a symbol of strength, courage, and intelligence. He proved that respect must be earned and never judged by appearance.